Now we will learn about switches. Now switches are of two types. First one is a single switch, and you have a double pole switch. Now single pole switch is like any other switch, how you show. Okay, you can on or off it. Normal whatever you have in your house, on and off switches. They are single pole switches. Once you toggle it, it is on. Once you again press it, it becomes off. So switches are of two types. That is single and double. Okay. Now single switch is very simple. One appliance is there. Every appliance has got a switch for it. That is a single switch. Now let us see where you are using the double pole switch. Now suppose this is a long corridor, and in this corridor you are having a bulb over here. Okay. Now what we do, now suppose here there is a switch and you switch it on, and when you switch it on, you come here, you come here, you come till the, now this is say end A and this is end B. This is C where the bulb is there. So you are standing at A and you want to come at B and it is full dark. What you will do? You will switch the light on so that this light bulb glows, and you are going to walk and come till B. Now you don't want the bulb on because your work is over. What you will do? Come back to A to switch it off. Then again it will become dark. Then how will you go back to B? Again you will on it. So this will continue. So what is done? At this end also one switch is there. Means this bulb can be switched on as well as off by the switch at A as well as switch at B. So these type of switches are known as double pole switch. Understood? Where it is used? Double pole switch. Even this can on it, even B can on it. A can off it, B can also off it. This is known as the double pole switch. We will see that in detail. Okay. And same is the reason why live wire should be connected to a switch. Now you can see in figure A, live wire is connected to a switch and the switch is on. So the electrons from the live wire is going into your appliance, that is the bulb, and the bulb is glowing. And then through the neutral wire it is coming back. Okay, and when it is off, you can see that electrons are not flowing because live wire is not in contact with your bulb. But suppose if you connect this switch to the neutral wire, what will happen? Even when the switch is off, electrons will continue coming from the live wire and get accumulated in the bulb. Okay, and that again will be dangerous. Let us see the working of one double switch. Okay, we have seen in the earlier that we have a single switch or we have the double pole switch. Now what are exactly the double pole switch? Now consider there is a very long corridor and in the center of the corridor there is one bulb. Okay, so at one entrance of the corridor you will have a switch to say on the bulb, and when you reach the other end you no longer require the light. So what you will do? You will come back again at the beginning to off the bulb and then again on it to go there and again come back. How will you do it? So what they do, they keep two switches both at the end of the corridors, and by both the switches you can on as well as off the bulb. Now if you see the first figure A, both the switches are in off position, so the bulb is off. Now here you see the switch S1 is on first. Okay, so when the switch S1 is on, what happens? See, the circuit completes from C to B, then to the bulb, and from bulb to the neutral. You can see the live wire coming, live wire enters the fuse, then it comes to B, then to C, then to again this C in this switch, then B, and back to the supply. So the circuit complete, it is getting one closed path, so the bulb is glowing. Now when you come to the end of the corridor, now when you on the switch 2 also, what happens? See the figure? Again you are going to get a complete path. So by S1 as well as S2, any one switch you can use for switching on the bulb. So this is known as a double pole switch. The switch is used for the same bulb at both the ends. It can on as well as off.